Welcome to Bike Lane. Today we're taking a quick but powerful look at the new 2025 Honda XR350R, a motorcycle that brings back Honda's legendary off-road DNA with modern upgrades and serious performance. Design and styling. The 2025 XR350R features a rugged, purpose-built design inspired by Honda's classic XR lineup. Its slim bodywork, high ground clearance, and aggressive stance clearly show that this bike is made to dominate trails, dirt tracks, and rough terrain. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XR350R is a refined 350 cubic centimeters engine tuned for strong low-end torque and smooth power delivery. It offers excellent throttle response, making it ideal for technical off-road riding while still delivering enough punch for open trails and fast sections. Suspension and handling. Honda has equipped the XR350R with long travel suspension designed to absorb bumps, jumps, and uneven surfaces with ease. The lightweight frame and balanced geometry provide confident handling, giving riders full control even in demanding conditions. Technology and features. Despite its off-road focus, the 2025 XR350R includes modern enhancements like improved engine cooling, reliable fuel delivery, and durable components built for long-term performance. Everything is designed for function, reliability, and rider confidence. Final thoughts. The new 2025 Honda XR350R is a perfect blend of classic XR toughness and modern engineering. Whether you're a trail enthusiast or a hardcore off-road rider, this bike proves that Honda's XR legacy is stronger than ever. Stay tuned to Bike Lane for more motorcycle updates and reviews. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Bike Lane for more content on all the latest motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next one.